Going to discuss the health benefits of watermelon. Watermelon contains an essential nutrients such as vitamin A, which is good for your eye, vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and then it contains minerals such as potassium, which is good for overall health and protection of your immune system. Also, watermelon serves as an antioxidant. It contains enzyme, lycopene, and beta carotene, which helps in minimizing chronic illnesses and reducing inflammatory processes. It also contains neutrogena, which is an amino acid which helps in regulation of blood flow in the body, which helps the heart, and also the muscle recovery, helps in hydration. That is, watermelon contains about 90% of water, which helps in regulation of body system and maintenance of body fluid level.